Yes, 1 minute presentation, please.
So our project is EcoShell Plastic, in which we are going to make alternative of thick layer plastic using seashells as our raw material. Seashells are basically hard, protective outer layer created by marine animals like clam and oyster. And about 8 to 10 million of seashells go to waste per year. So for everyone, these are just waste materials. But for us, we are going to convert this waste material into a very useful material which will work as plastic, which will work as thick layer plastic without harming the nature. And basically there are two types of plastic, thin layer plastic and thick layer plastic. And as we all know, there are many alternatives of thin layer plastic like paper bags and cloth bags which are totally eco-friendly, but we don't have an eco-friendly and reliable alternative of thick layer plastic. So we are going to use seashells to make alternative of thick layer plastic which will be totally biodegradable and eco-friendly and totally reliable. Now my companion will give you the data presentation.
The global plastic production has crossed over 460 billion metric tons. That has created a triple planetary crisis, affecting human health, ecosystem, and our Earth. In vehicle industries, the global plastic production is around
The
47.
conversion cost. Again, you have to aggregate. So three.
Just the temporary charge, the collection we mostly collect it from Messi, which is known as the factory button factory which is factory factory of Seychelles, and will collect it, then we'll convert it into fine powder just by crushing it, and we just have to add a chemical which is totally eco-friendly, which is bioresin like biostarch, and just we have to mold it into shape, and then एक certain degree temperature पे इसको heat करना, and that's all. Biostarch. Yes. Potato and starch. Starch. It is already being used, sir. You can see, sir. Starch. Yes, sir. The product starch the normal जो vegetables and fruits निकलते हैं, sir. And you can see, sir, we have used already. So this is the prototype of our project. This is made at our home, and इसे अभी एक certain degree temperature में नहीं हीट किया गया क्योंकि ये फैक्ट्री में होता है, ये हमने घर पे बनाया है. एंड ये हमारा फाइनल प्रोडक्ट है जो कि एक बटन है हमारे शीशे से बनाया हुआ. एंड एज यू कैन चेक इट्स टोटली ड्यूरेबल, लॉन्ग लास्टिंग, एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली बायोडिग्रेडेबल, एंड वी कैन यूज इट एज प्लास्टिक, thick layer plastic, and it doesn't harm nature at all, as plastic is made from toxic additives like BPA, but it's made from totally organic things like seashell, so it won't harm our environment. Now my company will give you the benefits of our product.
Its benefits are as follows. It is eco-friendly, cheap, durable, long-lasting, and mostly biodegradable. So it is absorbed by our environment and does not harm. It also supports many initiatives and objectives initiated by government such as Green, Fuel, and Fertile. Also support one mission, and plastic policy.
Sir, any company is doing this?
No, sir, just a button company, sir, button company, and nothing else. Sir, as you can see, plastic is everywhere, sir, nowadays. Clear plastic is now, so for example, our ID card and the code you are using, sir. So we can use seashells to replace those, sir, which will be totally biodegradable and eco-friendly. And cheaper also, sir, as it is a waste material, and plastic is made from costly toxic additives, sir.
So what is its cost?
Sir, just the starch and the temperature, sir, degree temperature, heat, sir, and all. Just we will polish it.
Comparative to current
It's cheaper, sir. Of course, cheaper. It doesn't need any harmful additives like BPA and all and toxic additives. It just needs biostarch and some refining, polishing.
and sir,
Funding from you.
No, sir, these are first. Yes, sir. Then we'll add biostarch, when they will polish it, and that's all. Then it will be converted into this. As you can see, sir, this is thick layer plastic, and this is our product, and this is more durable, long lasting, and most importantly biodegradable and totally eco-friendly. And plastic has become a major problem nowadays, so we have to understand it. That's why we have made this. हम अब इस पे रिसर्च कर रहे हैं, सर. ये हमें इस पे हमें रिसर्च करना है कि नहीं सर, ये हमें इसके बारे में पता है कि ऐसा बनता है, तो हमें बस जानना है फैक्ट्री में जाके कि कितना हीट चाहिए होता है, कि आपको कैसे रिफाइन होता है, एंड दैट्स ऑल. वी आर ऑलमोस्ट.
and sir,
technical feasibility.
Yes.
See, you